Tron may fall 1.5% tomorrow, Gov Capital indicates. But first, let's take a closer look at what's happening in the market. Tron has risen 0.1% over the last 24 hours and is currently trading around $0.3269. Let's run through today's expert calls. Based on CoinLore's outlook, the asset could go up to $0.3319 by tomorrow, an increase of about 1.5%. Coin price forecast puts the target for Tron at 33 cents, about 0.9% above current value. According to Traders Union, it could strengthen towards $0.3274, an upward move of 0.2%. Another analysis from CoinDataFlow highlights Tron could move downward towards $0.326, roughly 0.3% lower. Finally, Gov Capital forecasts a price near $0.3218 by tomorrow, 1.5% beneath the current level. This is the top return forecast. We've gone over 5 predictions. Let's continue. With expert views laid out, here's how they might translate. Taking all 5 forecasts into account, we could see the price move anywhere between a decrease of 1.5% and a rise of 1.5%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all 5, CoinLore leads with 1.5% gain in value by tomorrow. As a result, you might end up with between $2 and $15 for every $1,000 you invest. By probability measures, Traders Union's forecast is at the top of the chart, with a 61% chance of success. Out of the 5 separate forecasts, I've built one consensus scenario. Consensus data points to Tron trading close to $0.3274. Let's unpack the details together. The consensus expectation is for an increase of 0.2%. That outcome means your capital might grow by around 0.2% as well. On a 1,000 investment, that could amount to about $2 gained. The consensus scenario carries a likelihood of approximately 61% of coming true. On to the next, let's go through how analysts anticipate the price will evolve over the 3 days. CoinLore expects Tron to fall. The near-term direction noted by CoinPress forecast is up. Traders Union expects Tron to hover near its present value, showing very limited change. CoinDataFlow emphasizes selling pressure dominating. The direction outlined by Gov Capital also points toward further gains. The consensus forecast shows Tron holding level without strong upward or downward moves. Looking at the combined set of forecasts, the majority position indicates Tron may gain ground in the short term. 5 forecasts were posted 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how they matched the price. As a result, the day's market action settled at $0.3271. Yesterday's market showed that only a minority predicted the correct direction. If accuracy is the measure, then CoinCodex came out on top. Time to analyze the results piece by piece. Out of all the predictions, only one hit the candle range. For ROI, multiple analysts stayed in the green, with CoinCodex leading at 0.2%. Here's the results table, a clear look at how things turned out. As part of today's review, CoinCodex posted 0.2% ROI and accuracy. Look over the results and find the forecast that hit closest to reality. Let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare among a few selected cryptocurrencies. Tomorrow's projection puts Tron in 5th place, while Near records 1.5% in expected performance. For now, I've compared Tron with just 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison is already featured on my website. If I managed to save you some time today, a quick like would be the best feedback. Stay safe and see you soon.